Today's Nature Journal activity is called Zoom In. It is inspired by the book Mossy by Jan Brett. In her illustrations, you can find all the tiny, beautiful details of nature. Her use of colors and lines shows all the exquisite details of flowers, rocks, crystals, feathers, insects and other critters, seeds, nuts, and even seashells. Today, for your nature journal, you're going to go to your nature spot and settle in. Then, zoom in and focus on something small, just like Jan Brett did in a lot of her illustrations. You can choose to zoom in on anything that's really small. So it could be a flower, a fruit, maybe a tiny creature, insect, or even just a leaf. You can also think about other things Jan Brett focused in on in her book. Then take your time drawing it with as many details as you can. If you have colored pencils or something else to add color, go ahead. Next, write a list of at least 5 adjectives that describe the object you're focused on. For example, I chose this tomato blossom, and my adjectives were yellow, gold, small, petite, gentle, fragile, and pointy. Finally, the last step is to write 3 descriptive sentences about the one object you chose. For example, one of my sentences was, "The petite yellow tomato blossom gently unfolds in the sunlight." What can you come up with? As always, enjoy nature and have fun.